Oh, it's getting in my mouth.
Got it?
Get it out of my mouth. I don't like this anymore. What's up, guys? My name is Joe, and Monarch. This is when you put the Monarch cutaway. This product right here, Monarch Matte Paste, being released June 5th. We've got a live stream coming up June 5th as well. Live stream is June 5th as well. I'm going to be giving you guys all the details. Make sure you put it in your diaries. That is 6 p.m. UK time. You can look it up if you want to know, but make sure you make it to the live stream. I'm going to give you all the details, answer all of your questions. All that good stuff is coming June 5th. Today we've got a fun video, completely unscripted. Don't know exactly what's going to happen, but I have a box, and inside this box I've got a bunch of different face masks. This knife is open. I've got a bunch of different face masks in here. Wow, these are masks. This is going to be a good look. So this is the first mask that we've got. It's called the Gold Facial Mask. We've also got this one right here. This is much more, as you can tell, Asian inspired. I was trying to go for that, Asian inspired face mask. All of these had pretty decent reviews on Amazon. So I'm going to give you my thoughts on these face masks. Go ahead and start off with the big face mask right here. And the good news is we have face masks for everybody. So that means those two over there, they get to try face masks as well. So one face mask for you. One face mask for you. Oh, nearly. Jeez. We're gonna take a break right there. So this says it's the gold face mask. It's perfect and very natural solution to more youthful looking skin, and it only costs
Just $3.99, baby.
And now the gold face mask allows you to enjoy the benefits, etc., etc. More things to say. Let's just try it out. Oh, this is disgusting. Clean and dry the face thoroughly. Done that bit already. Apply the mask onto the face and gently press it onto the. Wait for 20 to 30 minutes. We don't have that kind of time around here. Remove the mask and gently apply makeup. All right. Well, probably gonna skip that last step as well. Now, if this doesn't look inviting, I don't know what does. How's that? Why would anyone do this? I don't know, maybe it's a great product. Who am I to judge? I've just now put it on. I need to wait 20 to 30 minutes. How come you guys haven't put your masks on yet?
Oh, no.
What do you mean, oh no? This is the time. This is the time and this is the time and place. Oh, it's getting in my mouth.
How'd you open it?
Oh.
Nah.
Oh.
Oh. Is that right?
That's right, that's how it looks.
Nearly sucked it all.
I feel like Dwight from The Office.
From that. Does that feel bad?
I love that.
Do you?
Yeah, and I think I look great too.
I can't think of anything more convenient.
Got it?
Maybe you just have an oddly shaped face. Well guys, just leave that on for the next. Leave that on for 20 to 30 minutes. Let me know how it gets on. This is not. What do you mean this is uneven? My mask is not even at all. Oh yeah. What do you know? I can actually start to see now. Yep. It's like a slug has pooped. Oh, it's my mouth. Get it out of my mouth. Jump. I don't like this anymore. Take the gimbal back.
Oh, God, that's horrible, isn't it?
What's the verdict? Is it great? It's a great product, isn't it? We could start a dance crew. Jabberwockies Part 2. Look, here's the thing. Maybe you're on the beach. Maybe you're sunbathing or something like that. Your face is in an upwards position, 90-degree angle. Perhaps something like this would work. If you're trying to just kind of walk around, do any kind of task at all, pretty inconvenient. Oh gosh. Oh, we're getting like face juice all over the place. So obviously I didn't have that on for the full 20-30 minutes. I had it on for probably 5 minutes. My skin feels nice. it does feel nice. It doesn't feel sticky, it doesn't feel slimy. It does feel actually quite hydrated. So I don't know if that's just, you know, liquid magic or if there's some actual beneficial stuff in there. But hey, if you want a fun time, I recommend it. Now, don't you guys worry, the face masks aren't finished yet. We're going in with round 2, the coconut water fiber face mask. So this doesn't tell you what it does. Made using Korean ingredients. Why do you have to secure this so much? Ooh. Guess what, everybody? We've got 3 of them. You know what that means. Face mask for you. Face mask for you. Open it up, and it's immediately just squirted stuff everywhere. It's too slippery.
That's what she said.
Why are they so slimy? This one is way more papery. The other one's very rubbery. Here we go. Ooh, okay. That feels rejuvenating. If it's a hot day wherever you live, slap one of these on, feel instantly cool. I mean, it still looks pretty funny. It doesn't look as funny as the other one. This one actually stays on way better. Still real slimy, really kind of gross feeling, but I actually feel like this one is absorbing better than the other one simply because it's, excuse me, simply because it's staying on my face better. And with that said, let's share the face masks.
Oh, that's disgusting. It's like a friggin' used tissue.
Thank God, I nearly got it.
Eventually.
Hey, round of applause for Tom, everybody. This one you can actually function. You put it on, you can get back to work, you can go out to the clubs. Nobody's gonna question anything. All right, so what is my opinion? I mean, the other one, let's be honest, fashion points goes to the other one. That one looked definitely better. But when it comes to convenience, this one, staying on my face, I feel, like I said, I feel like it's actually, my face is actually absorbing all the goodies, if there are goodies. Let's go ahead and take it off, see how it feels. Ugh, this feels so disgusting. Can you see how slimy this is? This isn't just, it's not just water. This is good stuff, you have to absorb it in. You gotta do what you gotta do if you wanna look beautiful. You know, this day and age it takes a lot of work. You don't just wake up pretty nowadays. You gotta put face masks on. My skin still feels quite refreshed, quite cool. So, you know, that's one kind of nice thing, I guess. And I know, like, this is a bit of a jokey video, but if you guys want a little bit of information, I know most of this has been just for fun. Where's it gone? There it is. So with these other masks that I put on, the point of those is to, you know, for your face to absorb whatever they have in them, right? And the point of a clay mask is to take stuff out. So it's like an exfoliation mask, basically. This would be great for people with oily skin or with people who are kind of breaking out. You need to get some nasty stuff out. This stuff, that's what this is for. So nice, dark gray, muddy color. I'm only gonna be putting a little bit of this on like my cheek because I don't want to cover my whole face right now. And that's it. It comes out in a bit of like not completely solid state. You leave it on for your face for a while, it's gonna dry up and you're really gonna feel that kind of sucking effect, like it's really pulling and tightening your face. That's what's helping to get rid of all of the bacteria and junk and also oil if your face is oily. So since this is one of them that I know a little bit about, it is a face mask that I can recommend for people who struggle with oily or a face that has, you know, some spots and breakouts and whatnot. And guys, I think we're gonna end the video there. If you do want to try any of these out for yourself, if I can find them, I will have them linked down below. I can definitely recommend, like I said, a clay mask for exfoliation purposes. Hope you had a fun time watching this live stream coming at you 6 p.m. UK time on June 5th. So that's like next week. It's coming up really fast. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see everybody next time with better audio.
Oh, well. That's all getting all ordered in my mouth. Oh, it's horrible. That's horrible.
I've given up. Ben's got it perfect.
Mine's great.
Is it like actually stuck to your face though?
No. I mean, yeah.
My face feels pretty refreshed after this.
So like having an Halloween film or something.
Yours is just melted. It just stays in your mouth. Wait. I don't like this anymore.